The Pathways to Knowledge model of information processing identifies 6 stages that students go through when learning to process information. They are appreciation, pre-search, search, interpretation, communication, and evaluation. More information on this can be found in the Technology as Facilitator of Quality Education model. The students in this 4th grade class are learning about the temperature differences among the 5 geographical regions of Missouri. The teacher begins the lesson by playing clips of Vivaldi's Four Seasons Symphony. The students experience the appreciation stage of information processing as they listen to each clip and try to imagine the kind of weather it portrays. The teacher gives the students the opportunity to appreciate the seasons and weather through varied formats.
Okay, that was the autumn clip from the Four Seasons. Kyle, did you have something you wanted to add?
Cold.
Is it cold?
In autumn.
Cold. It gets colder, doesn't it? Gets colder. Landon?
Jumping in the leaves.
Oh, very creative. Jumping.
And stuffing the scarecrow.
Jumping in the leaves.
The students are in the pre-search stage of information processing as they brainstorm their ideas about the kind of weather portrayed by each music clip. The teacher writes their ideas in a graphic organizer on the board and helps the students relate concepts through webbing. The graphic display of their ideas helps them formulate initial questions about their topic.
Okay, I think some people have some ideas that they'd like to share. Let's start with Kyle.
No Christmas, holidays.
Well, wait a minute. I don't know if my hand can keep up with that. Let's start off with one. Snow.
Snow.
Okay. Well, I'm going to call on other people to give their ideas, then I'll come back to you, okay?
The teacher continues to guide the students through the pre-search stage of information processing by having them begin a Know, Wonder, Learned, or KWL chart. The Know section of the chart helps the students relate information to prior knowledge. In the Wonder section of the chart, the students develop specific research questions that they will try to answer.
How does the temperature change every month
Okay. How?
or every season?
Oh, that's excellent. How does the temperature change every season? Good question. Okay, Jacinta, you have a question?
The students enter the search stage of information processing when they watch a short animation on the Encarta Encyclopedia 2000 CD-ROM. They begin finding relevant information on the weather and the seasons.
All right, boys and girls, now we're going to watch a short animation from our Encarta Encyclopedia program about seasons.
The teacher and the students reflect on and organize information that they have found as they finish the last section of their KWL chart. As they integrate the concepts they have learned and draw conclusions from the information they have collected, they demonstrate the interpretation stage of information processing.
The Earth does tilt, and that affects the temperatures during the season. But how would the Earth tilting make things cold in the winter, Jerry?
But
How does the Earth tilt in the winter time?
it tilts, one part tilts, I think, away from the sun.
Very good. It tilts away from the sun, and if we're farther away from the heat source, what's the temperature going to do?
It's going to get colder.
The temperature's going to drop. So why is it cold in the winter and not the summer? As Jerry just told us, the Earth is tilting away from the sun, where we get our heat.
The students work together to organize information for their final project. They put the weather charts they have created using spreadsheets together with their maps of the 5 geographical regions of Missouri. The students demonstrate the communication stage of information processing as they present new knowledge.
You're going to enter the data from the averages for each season. So this is winter's average, and this is spring's average.
Okay. Dot.
Point.
2.
Okay. And what was summer's average?
7. There's one more slide.
And autumn's average is at the bottom.
8.